Rachel?
Absolutely. You can hear in certain games LeBron James yelling out defensive assignments to his teammates. Every word they say, they are screaming, they are yelling. They know they need to create that energy internally. But interestingly, LeBron James
at Disney World. LeBron, tough fadeaway on the front rim. A lot of FaceTime going on these days with players and families as Davis hits a side of the backboard. Lowry drives it in and draws the foul on Caldwell Pope. His third personal foul. James thought about the three. Go to LeBron. Great ball movement. Selfless play. Pass. Almost too selfless, and they let the shot clock expire.
Do you see what I mean about the Raptors and their ability to play out of scrambles?
He'd actually put a number on it, Doris. The game. Tough pass by LeBron. Great effort by Kuzma to save it. And I'm going to go ahead and say it. They almost look like they're overpassing.
I agree, yeah.
Matt Thomas guarding Dion Waiters. Kicks it out to LeBron from the same spot. Result. Dwight Howard couldn't get his hands on the rebound, and back comes Fred VanVleet. Into the teeth of the defense. Same spot by Anunoby. Same results. Same results. Here's LeBron against Anunoby. Those two have got a little bit of history. LeBron couldn't finish. Missed the tip. And LeBron finishing the possession with a defensive board. Spinning in traffic. Contact again, and that's going to be a block. Lowry involved again in another collision. We need shoulder pads, helmets, some gauze, and tape.
Are we going to duck and cover, or are we going to step in and charge?
Stark contrast to what's happening here. 8-point lead for Toronto. Kuzma fires a deep three. They approach 2 minutes to go. Stare down three by Lowry. Bingo! Lowry fouled. Basketball player in their own right. Lowry has scored the last 7. LeBron with a 3 off the mark.
They comport themselves like champions. Their chest is out a little bit. They went through 10 weeks of a championship run.
Comes up short on the 3. You know, in fact, the Raptors have a 10-game winning streak against the Lakers as Anunoby.
The bench over there. Look at the bench raising the roof. Oh, that is great. That feels more like a college team having a little bit of fun over there.
This will be the second. Lakers. Took 7 shots, and LeBron James has made his way to the exit. This one's in the books. Beat the Lakers convincingly, 107-92. That's the worst shooting game this season by the Lakers. As the Clippers gain a game on the Lakers in the Western Conference.